The National Weather Service in Corpus Christi has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for West Central Webb County in South Central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 15 miles northwest of Columbia Bridge, or 34 miles northwest of Laredo, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
I kicked the water without even knocking it over.
Laredo, rain shows Penitas West, Orville, Columbia Bridge, and Doctors Hospital of Laredo. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 6 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.